1. Reaching the last village. GS Paper 2, Urbanization, Problems and Remedies, Governance. Why is it in news recently? As per the 2011 census, there are 640,930 villages in India, of which around 600,000 can be regarded as inhabited. Census's definition of urban area. If a settlement is under a municipality, corporation, cantonment board or a notified town area committee, it becomes a statutory town and is hence urban. Another definition of urban is linked to demographic characteristics. If in a population size of 5,000, 75% of the male working population is engaged in non-agricultural pursuits and the population density exceeds 400 people per square kilometer, this becomes a census town, regardless of whether it is a statutory town or not. This reclassification, a deviation from the traditional notions of urbanization, which we link to the natural rate of growth in urban areas or rural-urban migration, also results in urbanization. In fact, between 2001 and 2011, a large chunk of increased urbanization was because of census towns and not statutory ones. Urban outgrowth and village. When a village, or hamlet, is physically contiguous to a town and possesses urban features, it is then treated as an urban agglomeration. Therefore, anything other than a statutory town, census town or urban agglomeration is a village. In that sense, the village is residual, regardless of its population size. The population can be 10,000 people or it can also be 100 people. Challenges faced in governing urban agglomeration. Since these areas are under the influence of both rural and urban, and boundaries are not well defined, so it becomes difficult to determine who has the authority to govern where. Delivery of goods and services hampered as the administrative boundaries are not well surveyed. There will be a law and order problem, as there is always ambiguity over an area whether it comes under town police jurisdiction or rural police. So there are cases when each of them deny their jurisdiction over an area and law and order situations are hampered. There is always speculation that these areas will be declared as urban areas so the land prices shoot up. Moreover, valuable agricultural fields lay waste or are sold for the development of malls and other businesses.